Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera, and right now all we have to do is to swipe from the right to the left. Just like that, in order to open the settings. We do not have to really care about the mode which we are currently in because the settings are kind of general. So let's find the capture settings and the timer. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options. So the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. So let's go back to the camera and let's tap on the shutter button. From now on, your device will count down from 10, 5, 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, you can always turn off the timer, just find it again and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.